through the rest of the week. If we take a look at the Atlantic satellite sequence, you can see plenty of swirls of cloud lurking out to the west of the British Isles. Those swirls of cloud will continue to be blown in from the west by these rather strong and blustery west to southwesterly winds. They're going to be with us through the next 24 hours into Thursday and into Friday. Of course, the swirls of cloud are little areas of low pressure and their attendant weather fronts. They'll bring wet and windy weather at times, but in between that wet and windy weather, there will be some brighter showery weather to look forward to as well. Now, the next batch of wet and windy weather is just showing its hand now across northwestern parts of Ireland. Winds gusting to around about 55 miles an hour, the more persistent rain just starting to get in. Now, that'll spread across Northern Ireland and up this western side of Scotland during this evening. It'll then start to move southwards, bringing some fairly heavy bursts of rain with it, some more sleet and snow over the higher ground, and of course, combined with the strong winds tonight, that means some more blizzards up in the Highlands. But by the end of the night, showery weather will start to push in from the far northwest once again. By the end of the night, the wet weather will be arriving across northern England, across Wales and down into the West Country. It is going to be quite a chilly night up in the snowfields of Scotland. The temperatures tumbling underneath, those clearer skies coming in later, very close to or even below freezing. And even in the southeast, these 2s and 3s in the air will mean a little bit of frost in some of those well-known hollows. Now, tomorrow, the wet and the windy weather will work its way southwards. I think it'll probably arrive across the southeastern corner of Britain during the afternoon and the evening, but accompanying the heavy rain will come some very strong to gale force winds blowing right along the English Channel. Coming along behind that, this brighter, showery weather, but it will turn colder in the north with time, so the showers will turn more and more wintry through the day. On to Thursday, well, we're back with sunshine and showers across the country, the heaviest and most frequent ones in the north and in the west, where of course they're likely to be wintry. And then it's Thursday night we find wet and windy weather working its way across the British Isles with